topic is balanced diet. According to me, there should be 40% fruit and vegetable, 25% protein, 10% fat, again 25% fiber-rich and carbohydrate. The balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all essential food groups. You know, there are 5 primary nutrients that our body requires for proper functioning. The carbohydrates are energy-giving food that contains starch and sugar. Protein are body-building food. Fat are energy-giving food. Vitamins and minerals are food that make us resistant to disease. All these food groups are vital for our good health. A perfect balanced diet is composed of carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, high fiber, and vitamin. All are make a balanced diet. Thank you. I hope you understood. Bye-bye.